Prism allows horse trainers to manage everything in their business in just one system. There's no one-size-fits-all model with Prism, it's all customised. It can be adjusted and tweaked to match your specific requirements regardless of stable size. Everything is there: task managers, communications, accounts, horse passports, track work, movement. All the race data is integrated, both in Australia and overseas. Nominations, acceptances, registration and results.
Prism, it's all in one. The main thing that drew me to it was the internal running of the stable, so the communication between all different locations. It's live. Yeah, there's alerts for different treatments. Tasks have to be ticked off, so nothing gets missed. I couldn't see myself running a stable like this without a piece of software like that.
For our business, it's made it much easier to run, especially the communication side of things, so we wouldn't look back after getting Prism.
Once we went on to Prism and then interlocked it with Xero, it's made that much difference and our clients love it. We couldn't be happier with the product. We think it's great.
It's a wonderful thing. It sits on your phone and you send communication straight out, and they get it within about 20 seconds of me taking a video. Also, our whole system in the office is used through Prism, with the movements of our truck to also our vet stuff, and look, it's just a concept that it just made our whole life easier.
Using the power of automation with smart tools and processes, you can save time and money, and more importantly, focus on training winners.